Speaking of bags, Robert, you wouldn't believe what a student have on their bag that they wore at school today.
No? Alright, Connie.
Duns.
Duns checking our account and make the skull upset.
Robert, it's not funny.
So what I say? Are you would really wear a bag with Duns when they come to school today?
No, who would make them child leave home with a bag like that?
I don't know. Maybe a Duns parents. Because I want to know which parent would buy that.
I was wondering the same thing. Which now they're all over social media.
Already? It up on social media already?
Apparently, a man saw the child with the bag and took a picture and then put it all over social media.
Yo, them people are fast like lightning.
Can I tell you?
I meant the beer before I forgot. You know, me I get some order. You craft work from some people too.
That's great, babes. Proud of you.
Yo, babe, I have to thank you again still in a real life, you know.
No, thank you for making the change.
Yeah, you know. We did have to do that. Because remember, say me have a princess and a queen to live for.
Glad you know.
Yeah, man. I know.
Oh, I've sent out some letters to stores, so now I'm waiting on their replies.
Yeah, man. That sounds good.
Babe, we're gonna make this work.
Definitely, babe.
Oh, can we go for dinner later? I don't feel like cooking.
Then I must. Then I that. You ready now?
No man, when Ashley come home, then all of us freshen up, then we can leave.
Yeah. I like the sound of that. Family night out. That not bad. Babe. We can say something to you?
Of course I can.
First, me I go say something, then me I go ask you something.
Okay. I'm listening.
Yeah. Since you're forward in my life, things just different. Things better. Me happy, me youth happy. I know it's not a long time, you know, but I feel a vibe.
What kind of vibe?
A love vibe, a togetherness vibe. You know, like you feel in my life forever. Enough to lose you.
So, Robert, what are you saying?
I know what I say really. And when I want to ask you.
So, is what you want to ask me?
Gary, I want to ask you, see? If...
Shit! Sorry, babe, we get a phone call. Clarice.
So that's why you don't come here and have your funeral.
Hello, Clarice?
Me don't want to hear no hello from you. You're sleeping with the enemy.
What were you talking about?
Me hear say you're there with one of the boys we set up and kill Jeremy.
When you hear that?
You don't worry about that, Kerry. Just know say this nah go so.
Clarice, your son was involved in wrongdoing, and you know that.
So that give your man and his friend them the right to kill him.
I don't know where you get that from, and Robert is not involved.
You can defend him all you want. That nah go save him. It nah go save none of them.
Clarice.
Don't call me name. You is a disgrace to the Archer family. You is a sellout. Tell your man, make sure him have eye in him head back. And tell him friend them too. I come in with the vengeance of Gabriel. My one pitney, nah go so. You decide which side you want the pan when the judgment a hand down. We don't talk.